Hey Docker Container Managers, Jack Wallen here to help you get things done. Let's find out how to add Portainer to Docker Desktop and connect it to a remote Docker server. To install Portainer, open Docker Desktop. Once the app is up and running, click Add Extensions in the left navigation. Click Install associated with Portainer and, when prompted, type your user password. The installation should complete fairly swiftly, and once it completes, you'll see Portainer listed in the left sidebar. Click the Portainer listing and then click Get Started. Click Add Environments. In the resulting window, click the Docker tab. Let's say you want to name your environment Docker Swarm and the container is at IP address 192.168.1.13. For that, you'd add Docker Swarm as the name and then, in the environment URL space, type 192.168.1.13:2375. Once you've done that, scroll down and click Add Environment. If you go back to the Portainer main window, you should now see your remote environment added, with all the statistics showing. And that's all there is to adding Portainer to Docker Desktop and connecting it to a remote environment. Enjoy that newfound power and flexibility thanks to Portainer. Hey everybody! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our TechRepublic YouTube channel, and be sure to check out more how-to videos at How to Make Tech Work.